Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with me, Jaclyn St James. This year, plan a tasty Christmas dinner party menu to satisfy guests during the holidays. Include appetizers, the main course, side dishes, desserts, and drinks as part of your Christmas dinner menu. I have put 2 menus together already for you to help you out with your holiday planning. Starting with Menu 1. For appetizers, serve delicious appetizers as Christmas dinner party food to entice your guests to look forward to the rest of the meal. Offer mini hot dogs and mini pizza bagels. Hire a caterer to serve the appetizers to your guests and set up a table, or set up a table as an appetizer station. For the main course, prepare mouth-watering prime rib. Use the leftover drippings from the prime rib mixed with flour, milk, salt, pepper, and herbs to create a gravy mixture for the prime rib. For side dishes, complement the prime rib with a starch and a vegetable. For side dishes, serve 3 cheese potatoes au gratin for the starch, and prepare mashed cauliflower for the vegetable. For dessert, serve Christmas butter cookies or sugar cookies and decorate them with red and green M&Ms. Bake pies in addition to the cookies. For drinks, serve red wine such as Pinot Noir to complement the prime rib, or I'm sorry, I'm still a little sick, so have soda and water available for non-alcoholic beverages. Prepare tea and coffee to serve with the dessert. For Menu 2, for the appetizers, serve your appetizers to guests as part of a sit-down meal. Start with soup and salad. Create a pear salad with sweet pears, lettuce, candied pecans, goat cheese, avocado, and a light vinaigrette dressing. Complement the salad with a warm and inviting butternut squash and apple soup. For the main course, serve a fantastic honey-baked ham to guests for Christmas dinner party food. Accent the ham with garnishes such as pieces of pineapple and cherries. Show off the cooked ham before you slice into it, and start to serve it to the guests. For side dishes, keep the side dishes sweet, similar to the appetizer and main course. Serve mashed sweet potatoes with delicious mini marshmallows melted on top. Add a vegetable such as green bean almondine. For desserts, keep with the fruit theme and bake blueberry and apple pies. Warm the pies and top individual slices with scoops of vanilla ice cream. For another dessert idea, serve a healthy fruit salad composed of cantaloupe, honeydew melons, watermelon, strawberries, grapes, and pineapple. For drinks, serve a Riesling to go along with the honey-baked ham. Also offer non-alcoholic beverages such as sparkling water and soda. Boil water for the tea at the end of the meal, and also be prepared to serve coffee. Take advantage of any guests who offer to bring dishes to add to the Christmas party menu. Ask guests for additional Christmas menu ideas to better the end result of the meal. So go forth and cook and have fun, and remember, bon appetit!